Dear Miss Jacinta, as an English subject, I'm here present the result of my group work, word drilling machine, and then Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Background drilling is a machine tool where the energy in the motor is transmitted to the shaft with a vertical cutting direction that is devoted to making holes according to the type of drill bit. And then motivation. Why do I explain about this wood machine? Because I want to develop the knowledge of my friends so that I can understand about the type or system of using wood drill tools or wood drill machines according to the drill bits that will be used in it by friends or carpenter. And then here it is three example. I want to tell you three about the type of drill and its usage procedure. One example, hand drill. This drill is a drilling machine that we often use. Actually, this drill has several subtypes again. Two example, bore core. This type of drill is the drill that is most rarely used by consumer. This type of drill usually used for project or for measuring the thickness of asphalt road. Number 3 example, drill box. This drill is called sighting drill which allows use to drill wheel sighting and then recap edge. I think this discussion is important because this drill is also often used by people who need holes in any place that does not yet know the type of drill bit and the type of drill that must be used according to its use. And then my friend will continue the presentation. Thank you.
Recap H. I think this discussion is important because there is also often used by people who need house in any place that does not yet know the people of the bit and the type of deal that must be used according to its use. Making transition. The my way that when there are problems in using the tool. Friends, don't be hard to listen to press the tool because if you understand what was discussed, you will definitely think about the difference between the types of drill bit that must be used. Conclusion. This, this explanation This explanation contains conclusion about the drill's mission as well as the drilling bit according to their net is the work to be carried on out. In reference. Before closing, we may have something to ask you guys. That are from our presentation. If there is more or less word for what we say. Sorry and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.